Another capital deduction we have is the farming capital expenditure. Farming means pastoral, agriculture, plantation, horticulture, or other similar operations. Horticulture is mainly for flowers, or other similar operations. Farm work, it means any labor quarters and any other immovable buildings necessary for the proper operation of a farm, fences, dips, drains, water and electricity supply, windbreaks, and any other work necessary for farming operations carried out to produce income, included in the gross income, but does not include farmhouses and depreciable assets. So, in farm works, these two are not included, the farmhouses and then the depreciable assets. But the rest fall under farm works. Then expenditure incurred in acquiring farm works is included in a person's pool for class 3. It is included in a person's pool for class 3 in wear and tear. Then we go to horticulture. Another thing is that all the expenditures that are incurred when doing farming or that are incurred to acquire farm works or to cater for farm works are allowed as expenses except the farmhouses and the depreciable assets. Then we go to horticulture. Horticulture, it includes the following: propagation or cultivation of seeds, bulbs, spores, or similar things. It deals with seeds, bulbs, spores, and all those things, flowers. Then propagation or cultivation of fungi. Fungi, it includes things like mushrooms. Then propagation in environments other than soil, whether natural or artificial. So any activity that is carried out in the environment, but when it's not on soil, it is regarded as horticulture, whether natural or artificial. So a person carrying on a business in Uganda of horticulture to produce income, included in the gross income, who has incurred expenditure of a capital nature on the following. First is acquisition or establishment of a horticulture plant, construction of a greenhouse, shall be allowed a deduction of 20% of the amount of expenditure in the year of income and the following 4 years. So if you incur expenditure in horticulture when you're carrying out things that are related to horticulture, you'll be allowed a deduction of 20% of the amount of expenditure. In case it is 100 million, the total expenditure is 100 million, 20% of 100 million will be allowed, which is 20 million. It will be allowed. It will be subtracted. And that is it.